Stock and debenture. Masala bonds are issued in global capital market outside India by international financial institute to raise money and lend to Indian companies. 21 phase of scale of electoral bond can be only purchased from which institute? SBI. Typically are paper bearing the promise of a future stream of monetary return over a certain period of bond. The basic regulatory authority for mutual fund, security and stock market lie with the Security and Exchange Board of India. What are the open market operations? Selling of gilt added security by the government through RBI. The term bull and bear are the stock market. A specular who sell stock in order to buy back when price fall for gain is bear. Which is the oldest stock exchange in India? Bombay Stock Exchange. At present, how many stock? No. Mumbai Stock Exchange set up 1875. National Stock stabilized 1992. सेंसेक्स 5,000 कब गया था? 1999 में. फर्स्ट एक्सचेंज ट्रेड इंडेक्स, ठीक है, 2000 में हुआ था. BSE सिक्योर ट्रेडमार्क फॉर आइकॉनिक बिल्डिंग फिरोज दलाल स्ट्रीट 2018 में. What is the maximum amount of investment in share of debenture of notified company like the ICI, IDBI? 80,000. The Bombay Stock Exchange was the first specular who entered into purchase transaction with a view to sell in near future when the price would have risen is called bull. Demat account is a type of account for citizen in India so that they can trade in stock which are listed in the stock market. BSE is the first stock exchange. A Security and Exchange Board of India is located in Bombay. Nifty is associated with NSE index. Premchand Roy founded the Bombay Stock Exchange. Government securities are considered liquid because they are quickly and easily marketable. Security and Exchange Board of India is regulatory body. I name the Indian company who first touched a market capitalization of trillion in INR. Reliance Industry. The main source of long-term credit for a business unit is sale of stock and bond to the public. SEBI, Security Exchange, Stock Exchange, security are bought and sold. Insider trading is related to share market. Nikkei share price index of the Tokyo share market. Bombay Stock Exchange became the first stock exchange in India to launch commodity derivative contract in gold and silver. Wall Street Stock Exchange of New York, which subject does not figure in the concurrent list of our constitution. Stock exchange and the future market. The index titled सेंसेक्स और BSE टॉप 30 को करता है. डिपॉजिटरी सर्विस क्या है? एन एजेंसी फॉर सेफ एंड कीपिंग सिक्योरिटी. डिवेंचर होल्डर ऑफ ए कंपनी आर द क्रेडिटर है. गिल्ट एडेड सिक्योरिटी इश्यूड बाय द गवर्नमेंट. In which year Bombay Stock Exchange established? 1875. As per Finance Bill 2023, eligible start-up will be able to set up and carry forward losses incurred during their first 10 years to 10 year here. Book building, a process of inventing subscription to public offer of security essentially through a tendering process. Oldest जॉइंट स्टॉक बैंक ऑफ इंडिया 1865 में इलाहाबाद बैंक है. When a mutual fund investment has earned higher return than its benchmark index, the difference between two returns is alpha. Example of stock: variable amount of food grain available है in all warehouse of the country on the first day of the financial year. A blue chip stock is the stock of the large, well-established and financially sound company that has operate for many years. Both bond and stockholder are the creditor of the corporation. Ebix in Canyon, the company that has acquired an online travel portal, Evixera, for channelized unaccounted money, a special barrier bond which cannot be called a debt instrument as a referred in financial transaction stock foreign trade. The annual record of all monetary economic transactions of a country with other countries balance of payment in 1991 as immediate measure to resolve the balance BOP crisis. The Indian rupee was devalued. The difference between visible export and visible import is balance of the BOP. Visible and invisible item of debit and credit are the BOP. What should always be balanced in the foreign trade? BOP. Balance sheet is a records of assets and liability of any firm. A part of national debit now as external debit is the amount borrowed by its government from the abroad. Based on the statement first and second given, which of the following is correct? Both first and second. BOP record all economic transactions in goods and service and assets of the country with the rest of world for a specific time period, usually a year. All the trade conducted by both the private and public sector are accounted for in the BOP in order to determine how much money is going in and out of the country. BOP is equilibrium है when the demand of the domestic country है is equal है to its supply. 1991 में devalued हुआ था. Transfer payment include employee contribution to social security. Estimate expenditure and estimate receipt are shown by the government budget. A favorable balance of trade of a country implies export are greater than the import. The BOP account of a economy is related to the external sector. A favorable balance of trade is one of in which the value of domestic good and export exceed the value of foreign good import. Free trade is a trade policy that does not resist import or export. Government account economic account or transfer payment include government account, and the country can improve its BOP by devaluation when the sum of elasticity of demand for the export and import is greater than unity. A country balance of trade is unfavorable when the import exceed export. During a boom, the deficit of the government will be reduced automatically due to increase in tax revenue. Short-term loan to correct balance BOP problem is given by IMF. Which of following is not an account under BOP? Official reserve account. Which of following not directly affect the current account balance of India? कौन affect करता है? Revenue income. Revenue receipt are the receipt of the government which are non-redeemable in BOP account. Unrequested receipt and payment are also regarded as unilateral transfer. Which of the following statement about the transfer payment are correct? Transfer payment are made by the government to household. Transfer payment are often used as a means redistributing income within a society. A current account deficit is financed by net capital flow from the rest of world, thus by a capital account surplus. ट्रांसफर पेमेंट क्या है? अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट अलाउंस है, स्कॉलरशिप है, रिटायरमेंट पेंशन है. नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन करंट अकाउंट ऑफ BOP के गवर्नमेंट का नॉन मॉनेटरी गोल्ड मूवमेंट. बेस्ट डिफाइंड ट्रांसफर पेमेंट क्या है? पेमेंट मेड बाय गवर्नमेंट टू इंडिविजुअल विदाउट एनी कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द गुड या सर्विस. What is included in the capital account of the government? Assets and liability of the government. Capital account balance is the equal to capital flow from the rest of world minus capital flow to the rest of world. Saturated power of exchange of फेरा ऑफ 1947 में फेरा का हुआ था, ठीक है. In which year did the company IBM and Coca-Cola shut down their operation? 77 में. In which year India adopted dual exchange rate of interim period 1992? BOP इनके इसमें कौन इंक्लूडेड नहीं है? नॉन मॉनेटरी गोल्ड मूवमेंट. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बेस्ट डिफाइंड ट्रांसफर पेमेंट के बारे में कौन बताता है? पेमेंट मेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट टू इंडिविजुअल विदाउट एनी कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग प्रोडक्शन ऑफ गुड या सर्विस. What is included in the capital account of the government? Assets and liability of the government. Capital account balance is equal to क्या होता है? ये रहा 1947. और आगे बढ़ो. Alarm system. What percentage of foreign exchange earning can be converted? 40. What an indicator of self-reliance, avoiding import of the good which could be produced in the country. Depreciate क्या होता है? 1 रुपये की 1.55 बराबर था, फिर 1.60 बराबर तो डेप्रिसिएट हो गया. What happened to income? डेप्रिसिएट होने पे क्या, डिवेल्युएट होने पे क्या फ़ायदा है? एक्सपोर्ट बिकम चीपर. The price of 1 unit of foreign currency in terms of domestic currency is called nominal exchange rate. In the context of open economy, forex stands for foreign exchange rate. Purchasing power parity theory is related with exchange rate. Floating exchange rate is also referred to as a flexible exchange rate. At present, India is following floating exchange rate. Fixed foreign exchange rate can be changed by the Ministry of Finance. Real exchange rate is the relative price of foreign good in terms of domestic goods. Under flexible exchange rate system, the exchange rate is determined by the force of demand and supply in the foreign exchange market. Which one of the following does not deal with the export promotion? कोऑपरेटिव मार्केट सोसाइटी. फीमा ने फीरा को रिप्लेस करा 1999 में. इंडियन फॉरेस्ट रिजर्व हिट 400 बिलियन फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम सितंबर 2017. इंडियन फॉरेस्ट रिजर्व डज नॉट कंसिस्ट विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? कार्बन बॉन्ड. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डज नॉट फॉर्म पार्ट ऑफ फॉरेन एक्सचेंज रिजर्व? क्या नहीं रिजर्व करता? फॉरेन करेंसी एंड सिक्योरिटी हेल्ड बाय द बैंक एंड corporate bodies. Foreign Exchange Regulation Act was passed. The Foreign Exchange Management Act. Foreign exchange reserve are the foreign currency assets held by the central bank of the countries. Highest foreign exchange earned have been export of gem and jewelries. When did the rules under Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act come into force? July 2004. Tariff and quotas in the trade issue are the protect domestic companies. Which of following trade barrier restrict the flow of international good and the service? Consider following method adopted by government to protect good produce in India from the import. Heavy taxes were levied on the import goods. Maximum limit on the import of the quantity by domestic user are fixed. Tariff and quotas resist import and help domestic product from the foreign competition. Asian premium is the high price that the Asian countries pay to import crude oil. Devaluation means import dearer, export of manufactured goods, expand trade and the commerce. We what help in expanding trade and commerce and bring in foreign exchange. Export of manufactured goods. A trade policy consists of export-import policy. Export of good exchange enhance foreign exchange. An area which support the economy and export trade of the seaport is called hinterland. Dumping is a form of price description at international level. Which of the following is main advantage of the import substitution policy? It helps the nation achieve self-reliance. Canalized list of items in foreign trade of India refer to items to be imported only by state-owned undertaking. for which item Tirupur is well known as a huge exporter to many parts of the world. United Government quotas a limit on the quantity of import. The largest share in our import is from OPEC. Self-reliance means avoiding import of goods which could be produced in the India. Nation that has positive net export enjoy a trade surplus. Export in excess of import result in trade surplus. The term of the trade refer to ratio between export price and import price. Net export is equal to total export minus total import. International trade agreement have two or more countries as a parties. South क्या है SAFTA agreement was signed to promote trade and economic cooperation among the SAARC. Bilateral trade between India and Pakistan has increased to USD 1.35 billion during April. Here 36 million in the goal. Bangladesh is the largest trade partner in the South Asia. Which of the following statement under Nepal-India Treaty of Trade, duty-free access into India market for all Nepali manufactured goods is provided on the non-reciprocal basis. There has been a free trade and commerce between the territories of India and Bhutan since the signing of treaty between Government of India and Royal Bhutan. Indian government had started trade in the rupee with neighbor countries including Nepal and Bhutan. The sale of liquidation of assets by the government, usually central and state public sector enterprise project and other fixed assets, is called disinvestment. Foreign investment is now by which name in India? FDI. Investment is equal to gross total of all capital assets minus wear and tear according to Keynes marginal efficiency of capital. Upper limit of investment in plant and machinery. Machinery for small scale industry has been fixed currently at 1 crore as per newspaper report. What percent the government stock will be disinvested in Rashtriya Ispat Nigam? 10%. In which year India and Maldives signed a trade agreement which provide for export of virtual commodity 1981. What is the received upper limit for foreign direct investment in telecom service company? 74. What is not considered an infrastructure investment? Asset in automobile industry, revenue investment in public work is now as capital expenditure. The value of investment multiplier related to change in autonomous investment due to change in income. Income and saving are kept equal through a change in level of consumption. How the interest level of country is affected by FDI decrease. Marginal efficiency of capital is expected. Rate of return on new investment. Internal rate of return fall as annual yield of an investment rise when a large number of investors in a country transfer investment elsewhere because of disturbed economic condition. It is called flight of capital. In India, a special economic zone was established to enhance foreign investment. What result in connecting the market या integration of market in different country foreign trade? Who was the chairperson of this investment commission? Ministry of Industry established in 1996. G.V. Ramakrishnan. Investment multiplier show the effect of investment on income. Multiplier process in economic theory is conventional taken to mean income of an economic growth on account of an initial investment. While determining income, the expenditure on which of the following item is not considered as investment? Increase in stock of unsold article. To achieve high rate of growth and national output, the economy has to increase the rate of investment and reduce the capital output ratio. As number of investment made by the firm increase, its internal rate of return increase to compensate the firm for the current consumption foregone. Who defined investment construction of a new capital asset like machinery or factory building. J.M. Keynes 100% FDI in equity in India is not permitted as per in a multi-brand product retail training. Which fund was created in 2015 to channelize fund received from this investment proceed of FCU National Investment Fund? What should be investment of micro enterprise in plant and machinery not more than the 25 lakh? This investment is offloading of government share to private companies. Why which type of foreign investment is considered as unsafe portfolio investment? This investment in public sector is called privatization, which is not an investment expenditure in good and service. Purchase of a house. What is used to calculate economic freedom of a country? Rule of law, regulatory efficiency, influence of foreign direct investment. In the last one decade, which sector has attracted the highest foreign direct investment inflow into India? Telecommunication. The major economic attribute for comparing countries is their income. The statutory power of exchange control was provided to RBI by Foreign Exchange Regulation Act 1947 with respect to India foreign trade, which year is referred to as a year of divided 1991 when was the 8th round of General Agreement on Tariff and Trade, so called Argyle Round, which led to stabilize of World Trade Organization complete 1994. Exim Policy 2002 has set a target to achieve a share in the global trade by 2000 as a 1.0%. True trade argument between two parties is called bilateral. Biofuels are being considered as alternative to reduced country crude oil worth 7 crore. Which item is major item of Indian export? Car engine as an export item of India. Which spice occupies top positive in value? Chilies, town and cities. Commercial हो गया ठीक है. Trade liberalization has helped India improve its industry with high to medium technology. Comparative advantage. Theoretical trade between countries take place on account of comparative difference in cost, not a custom duty obstacle in the world. Determination of import duty unfairly. Okay, one of the main factors that led to rapid expansion of Indian export is diversification of export. Which of the following is not a trade barrier? Export security. Which was the most important characteristic of Indian trade throughout the colonial period? Export surplus. What was the composition of India foreign trade at time of her independence? Export consisted largely of raw material and import comprised largely of finished good. In national context, what include macro approach? Export of mangoes to UK. FIRA replaced by FEMA. A special drawing, right? In international IMF is determined by the basket 5 currency in 1991 economic crisis where the foreign exchange foreign night reserve file सब गिर गया था. Free trade refer to free movement of goods from one country to another. Of the following land use which is restricted to special economic zone? Free trade center. TRIP agreement 1994. Or good originating from a region with a specific character, quality, reputation is converted to protected under IPR geographical indicator. Which theory in economic propose that the country export that they can most efficient and plentiful produce? Hacker-only model. Which of the following is an advantage of foreign competition? Incentive to produce efficiency. Which Act of 1947 regulates the Indian labor law with regards to trade union as well as individual workmen? In Industrial Dispute Act, gold is mainly related to international market. Which of the following act has been replaced or repealed? Monopoly and Restrictive Trade Practice Act 1969. India's share in total global trade in value term is more than 2%. Where is the Indian Institute of the Foreign Trade Located New Delhi, the nominal exchange rate is the price of one unit of foreign currency in terms of domestic currency. The biggest item of Indian import is petroleum product, which theory is used to make long-run prediction about exchange rate is in a flexible exchange rate system. Purchasing power parity theory. When there is official change in the exchange rate of domestic currency and revaluation, dumping, sale in a foreign market of commodity at the price below a marginal cost, what make the important good more expensive? Tariff free trade, there no resistance. Government ban the import terminator seed. This seed contain genetically engineered properties to prevent further multiplication. Wildlife at 1972. Maharatan कॉरपोरेशन बैंक, बैंक ऑफ इंडिया इज अ PSU टोकन। टोकन कितने मिलता है? 5% ऑफ द शेयर का मिलता है। केयर का क्या है? क्रेडिट एनालाइज एंड रिसर्च। पब्लिक पहला कौन सा है? सेक्टर कॉरपोरेशन। दामोदर वैली ऑपरेटिंग सरप्लस अराइज इन द गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर। विच PSU हैज बीन प्राइवेटाइज्ड? HZL। मैच करो। सर्विस टैक्स रेवेन्यू, इंटरेस्ट रिसिप्ट, नॉन टैक्स रेवेन्यू, शेयर ऑफ PSU, कैपिटल रिसिप्ट, सैलरी एंड पेंशन रेवेन्यू, एक्सपेंडिचर। मुद्रा माइक्रो यूनिट डेवलपमेंट एंड रिफाइनेंस एजेंसी, द डिवाइडेड रिसिप्ट बाय द गवर्नमेंट फ्रॉम पब्लिक सेक्टर आर नॉन tax revenue receipt. Which of the following is not example of public sector company? NSE, Hindustan Aeronautic Limited, come under which sector? Public sector. In which type of sale minimum can purchase of stake of PSE is sold to private sector strategy? Which of the following statement is true with regard to the stabilization of the center public undertaking in India? They are stabilized to fulfill the objective of the a self-reliant India. Now, as father of public sector undertaking, V. Krishnamurti, um, public sector undertaking was according the Maharatan status in 2013 भेल। ONGC, OIC, NTPC सेल नवरत्न है। महारत्न किसको? कोल को मिला हुआ है, कोयला को। महारत्न डेट इज सेंट्रल पब्लिक सेक्टर इंटर पावर सेक्टर। NTPC नॉट ए महारथन भेल हो गया। कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट। NTPC है डाइवर्सिफाइड टू हाइड्रो पावर सेक्टर है। पावर ग्रिड कॉर्पोरेशन है डाइवर्सिफाइड इनटू टेलीकॉम सेक्टर। नॉट ए नवरत्न या महारत्न इंडस्ट्रियल फाइनेंस कॉर्पोरेशन। In India, the largest public undertaking, the IOC, which of the not a Navratna, LIC, falling under the Maharatna. Steel Authority of India, MTNL क्या है? नवरत्न है। सेंटर पब्लिक सेक्टर कितनी है? 14 हो गए। नवरत्न 14 है ना। नवरत्न आर इन्वॉल्व इन विच ईयर? 1970 से 98 तक। मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ द हैवी के लिए कौन सा है? हैव ए नवरत्न स्टेटस होता है। अच्छा, विलेज खादी एंड विलेज कहाँ है? फर्स्ट सिल्क गुजरात में है। टू ग्रांट ऑटोनॉमिटी टू फॉर्म सम पब्लिक सेक्टर यूनिट वर गिवन स्पेशल स्टेटस। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वाज नॉट वन ऑफ द स्टेटस? देव रतन्स नहीं है। इको मार्क है, इको फ्रेंडली ये रहा। व्हाट इज द एपेक्स इंस्टीट्यूट इन द स्पेयर ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर? नबार्ड हो जाएगा। नबार्ड का स्टेबलाइज 12 जुलाई 1982। 12 जुलाई 1982। चेयरमैन ऑफ द नबार्ड इन मई चिंताला नबार्ड हुआ था। ड्यूरिंग विच 5 year प्लानिंग was नबार्ड स्टेबलाइज्ड 6? छठे साल में हुआ था। नबार्ड कैम इनटू बीइंग 1982 में आया था विथ 100 करोड़ के साथ। ARDC इज अ ब्रांच ऑफ द नबार्ड। ठीक है। एग्रीकल्चर रिफाइनेंस एंड डेवलपमेंट कॉरपोरेशन, नबार्ड एग्रीकल्चर के लिए है। अब आते हैं नबार्ड 1982 में स्टेबलाइज हुआ था। नेशनलाइजेशन ऑफ SBI 1955। रीजनल रूरल बैंक 1795। सेल्फ हेल्पिंग ग्रुप ठीक है होता है। क्या है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट वन ऑफ देम, ए pilot project of the linking self-helping group with the bank of the launched by the NABARD. The success of the pilot project result in the introduction of the three radical इनोवेशन करे थे बाय आरबीआई के द्वारा, विच इनमें से कौन सा नहीं है, अवॉइडेंस ऑफ एक्शन इन द इवेंट ऑफ द डिफॉल्ट। नबार्ड इज अ फाइनेंस इंस्टीट्यूशन। नबार्ड क्या है, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया है। नबार्ड लॉन्च द ई शक्ति प्रोजेक्ट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम झारखंड एंड महाराष्ट्र। नबार्ड लॉन्च ए स्पेशल पायलट प्रोजेक्ट इन 2015 called JLG mainly to fulfill the credit need of the small and marginal farmer and tenant farmer. Which program was launched by the NABARD in 2015 to promote the livelihood of the people in both farm and of activity। LEDP हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ NABARड मुंबई में है। कहाँ है, मुंबई में है। 1987 में एन एक्शन रिसर्च प्रोग्राम was launched by the NABARD with महिंद्रा बेस्ड ऑन पायलट प्रोजेक्ट था। 500 सेल्फ हेल्पिंग ग्रुप बनाया जाएगा। सेल्फ हेल्पिंग ग्रुप लिंकेड किसके साथ, नबार्ड के साथ है। विच थ्रो इस माइक्रो क्रेडिट इनोवेशन डिपार्टमेंट हैज कंटिन्यू इट रोल एज ए फैसिलेटर ऑफ माइक्रो फाइनेंस इनिशिएटिव इन द कंट्री। नबार्ड। अपेक्स रूरल क्रेडिट नबार्ड हो जाएगा। सपोर्टिव पॉलिसी रेगुलेटरी फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ माइक्रो फाइनेंस इन इंडिया इन 1999 में नबार्ड है। अच्छा, नबार्ड जो है नेशनल इम्प्लीमेंटिंग एंटिटी है फॉर एडेप्टेशन फंड अंडर यूनाइटेड नेशन फ्रेमवर्क ऑन द क्लाइमेट चेंज। विच इंस्टीट्यूट वाज सेट अप इन 1982। नबार्ड। सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप किसके साथ बना था, नबार्ड के साथ। सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप नबार्ड के साथ बना था। पायलट प्रोजेक्ट नबार्ड का था। नबार्ड है रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ श्री सी वर्मन कमेटी के द्वारा बनाया गया था और 100 करोड़ के साथ शुरू किया गया था। नबार्ड ई शक्ति प्रोजेक्ट, द प्रोजेक्ट एम टू डिस्टिंग्विश फाइनेंशियल एंड नॉन फाइनेंशियल डेटा ऑफ ऑल सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप का लेना, ठीक है। दिस प्रोजेक्ट वाज लॉन्च बाय द नबार्ड इन मार्च 2015। नबार्ड क्या है, नबार्ड एम एज प्रोवाइडिंग क्रेडिट एंड अदर फैसिलिटीज फॉर द प्रमोशन एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ किसको, रूरल को। स्विस एजेंसी फॉर डेवलपमेंट कोऑपरेशन इज एक्सटर्नल एजेंसी विद द नबार्ड, ठीक है, टू प्रमोट माइक्रो फाइनेंस। इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर in India is regulated by IRDA, which institute not regulate capital market India, IRDA. Life Insurance Corporation of India was set up in 1956 by the Indian government by nationalization all the existing private sector life insurance company. Life Insurance Corporation of India Act was passed by the Parliament in the year 1957. 6 is an example of non-banking financial institute, LIC should be regulated by Reserve Bank। सिडबी की स्थापना 1990 में हुई थी। सिडबी हेडक्वार्टर लखनऊ में है। उदयम अभिलाषा नेशनल लेवल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप अवेयरनेस कैंपेन है लॉन्च किया हुआ सिडबी के द्वारा हुआ था। माइक्रो फाइनेंस फॉर द स्मॉल इंडस्ट्री सिडबी, सिडबी स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, फुल फॉर्म ऑफ सिडबी स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया। Which portal was launched by the SIDBI to improve accessibility of credit and hand-holding service to MSE? Udayami Mitra, who is now as the father of microfinance. He founded Grameen Bank to make a small loan available to the poor. Muhammad Yunus, which regulatory body in India is responsible for overseeing and regulating microfinance institute, Reserve Bank of India? What is the feature of microfinance institute? Financial service to disadvantaged people. What is the key objective of microfinance institute? India promoting financial inclusion and poverty alleviation. What is the primary purpose of microfinance institute India? To provide small loans to low income individuals. Who is the regulator of microfinance institute in India? RBI. Muhammad Yunus, one of the Pioneer है in microfinance, founded Grameen Bank in which year 1983. Microcredit is delivered through scheduled commercial banks, self-help group, cooperative bank, non-banking financial companies. What is dimension related to sustainability of microfinance institute in India? Dependency of donor funding. Which of the following is not one of the problem with microfinance? Excess flow of fund toward microfinance in India. Microfinance institute primarily target with which segment of population? Low income individual, small business. Incorrect है microfinance के बारे में. MFI are the bank that provide microfinance. MFI are non-profit organization that provide financial service to low income individual, small finance, a form of financial service which provide small loans and other financial service to poor and low income household. Microfinance कॉमन फाइनेंशियल सर्विस है. माइक्रो फाइनेंस इंस्टीट्यूट की क्या स्मॉल लोन्स देती है टू लो इनकम इंडिविजुअल को. सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप क्या है जो स्मॉल प्रमोट करता है. इसमें से कौन सा करेक्ट है? बोथ असर्शन और दोनों करेक्ट है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए बेनिफिट ऑफ सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप? जेंडर वाइज गलत है. सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप लोन एंड सेविंग डिसीजन आर टेकन बाय द ग्रुप. इनकरेक्ट सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप में क्या है? देयर इज नो नीड टू फ्लो वेल डिफाइंड रूल एंड बाय रोल ऑफ एससी. ये गलत है. सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप बोरो टू ओवरकम द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ लैक ऑफ कोलेट्रल. माइक्रो क्रेडिट है. माइक्रो फाइनेंस इज ए नोवल अप्रोच टू बैंकिंग विद द पुअर. सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप फॉर द पुअर. Which of the following self-help group? The group take care of the debt recovery. Who take the decision? Self-help group. Member of the group सेवा सेल्फ-एम्प्लॉयड वुमेन एसोसिएशन इन गुजरात में हुआ था 1974 में. इनकरेक्ट क्या है? माइक्रो फाइनेंस के ऊपर. माइक्रो फाइनेंस लोन शुड बी लिंक विद द लाइन ऑन डिपॉजिट अकाउंट ऑफ द ब्राउजर. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द डायमेंशन ऑफ माइक्रो फाइनेंस? एमएफआई का आउटरीच टू रूरल एरिया. Which scheme aim to enable microfinance institute, non-banking financial institute, small finance, commercial bank? प्रधानमंत्री मुद्रा योजना. Which of the following microfinance institute was established in India at the time of independence? Rural cooperative. साधन has microfinance institute है in India, self-regulatory organized है. सेवा 1974 में शुरू करा गया था. फर्स्ट माइक्रो फाइनेंस है वो कि गुजरात में. विच इंस्टीट्यूट मेनली प्रोवाइड फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंट एंड सपोर्ट टू माइक्रो फाइनेंस इंस्टीट्यूट इन इंडिया? शुड बी एज पर रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ मास्टर डायरेक्शन 2022. माइक्रो फाइनेंस लोन इज डिफाइंड एज ए कलेक्टर फ्री लोन है. गिवन दिया जाएगा टू ए हाउस होल्ड हैविंग एनुअल हाउस होल्ड 3 लाख. माइक्रो फाइनेंस एवरी 6 मंथ में होता है. मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ माइक्रो फाइनेंस लोन NBFC MFI 75% है. अपर लिमिट ऑफ एनुअल हाउस होल्ड इनकम 1.25 लाख है. मैक्सिमम लिमिट और माइक्रो फाइनेंस NBFC के क्या 25% है. In India, microfinance loan is defined as a collector-free loans given to household having an annual income of rupees 3 lakh of October under the currency regulatory framework. What is maximum period microfinance? 36 month. For providing non-microfinance loan to low income 50% होना चाहिए on monthly income. Repayment obligation microfinance loan don't require any collateral. Grameen Bank is a microfinance organization and the community development bank है in Bangladesh which make small loan to the empowerment को देता है. आंध्रा बैंक 2010 में खुला था. माइक्रो फाइनेंस है. When was the master direction of RBI on microfinance law implemented? 1 अप्रैल 2022. Bandhan Financial Service, a micro lender based out of Kolkata, was granted in public principle approved by RBI in 2014. नॉट वन ऑफ द सेवन अप्रोच माइक्रो फाइनेंस डिलीवरी मैकेनिज्म क्या है? चीप सब्सिडीज क्रेडिट है। Microfinance Institute Network and Sadhan along with FIDC Finance Industry Development Council have jointly launched the Code for Responsible Lending for the Finance Credit the year 2019. Which of the following is not a common product offered by the Microfinance Institute India? Credit card है, which of this may not be attributed to microfinance के लिए क्या है? It enables the poor to earn high rate of interest on deposit. Fusion Microfinance (PBT) is a RBI registered NBFC है that work on John Liability Group lending model of the Grameen. Fusion, which of not an objection of Microfinance Institute क्या है? Improvement of credit score of the poor. What is the prominent trend in the microfinance sector in India? Integration of mobile banking service. In the context of microfinance in India, which of the following is not correct? Microfinance provide a microcredit with no collateral whatever to the low income individual या group of our society. Which of the following incorrect है microfinance के ऊपर? Microfinance started है in India majorly due to nationalization of the bank. Not rational behind the microfinance के ऊपर क्या है? More than access to credit, poor need subsidies है. Which of this is not an NGO involved in microfinance related activity? NABARD in Mumbai. Cash for Microcredit is a company that does not operate in the most backward district of the Telangana. Regional Rural Bank was sponsored by the National Commercial Bank. रूरल रीजनल बैंक was इनिशियली कब हुआ था? 1975 में. सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट बैंक ऑनरशिप इन रीजनल रूरल बैंक 50% है. सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट अमेलगमेट 3 रीजनल रूरल बैंक विद द इफेक्ट फ्रॉम द पंजाब के साथ. रीजनल रूरल 1975 में रीजनल रूरल बैंक एक्ट वॉज पास्ड. 1976 में एक्ट पास हुआ था. NBFC फ्यूजन माइक्रोफाइनेंस प्राइवेट लिमिटेड है. Which of the following not a part of institute structure of rural banking है? मनी lender. True about the regional rural बैंक के बारे में क्या है? The government of India contribute 50% of the share capital of RBI. The first regional rural bank get up in India was Prathama Gramin Bank. Which state of India has not any regional rural bank? सिक्किम and Goa. The regional rural bank 2014 amendment regional rural bank act 1976 का अमेंडमेंट है 2014 में करा गया है. प्रथम बैंक द फर्स्ट रीजनल रूरल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया हेड ऑफिस है उत्तर प्रदेश में. विच रूरल बैंक हैज बीन नेम्ड आफ्टर ए रिवर? वार्ता ग्रामीण. सेबी इज इवेल्युएटिंग whether ICO can be brought under its purview. ICO is related to cryptocurrency. Which organization was given statutory power in 1992? SEBI. statutory power ना SEBI. Which Indian finance institute protect investor in stock market security? ठीक है. और सेबी इस स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडी हो जाएगी. सेबी का क्या है? T+6 है, T+3 है. ओके स्टॉक सेबी हो जाएगा. विच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कलेक्ट डेटा फॉर द अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेक्टर NSSO. इन विच ईयर वॉज द जनरल इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया इनकॉर्पोरेटेड एज ए कंपनी? 1972. Arrange the following development financial institute is correct. किसमें करेक्ट है? इंडस्ट्रियल फाइनेंस कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया, ICCI, IDBI. बंधन बैंक कब हुआ था? 2001 में. नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर. डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड फार्मर वर्क. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए प्राइवेट सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग है? Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited, not a key player in the microfinance sector. IDBI. Micro self help group का नाम क्या करेक्ट है? The micro entrepreneur of the self help group has a small social and economic background. National Investment Fund in India is a corporate fund that mobilizes its financial receipts from the proceeded from disinvestment of Central Public Sector (SEBI) 1988 and given statutory power on 30 January 1992 through the SEBI Act. Financial finance is associated with Abha P. Lerner. When was 2014 was the Microfinance Institute Network recognized by the RBI as Indian first self-regulatory organization. In which year? State Financial Corporation State passed 1951. 40 मिलियन टू द नॉर्थ को दिया रखा था हमने. एडीबी कहा है. When did Reserve Bank of India introduce a non-bank financial company called non-bank financial company? दिसंबर 2011. PN participatory notes are associated with foreign institute investor. IRDAI Hyderabad. Which among the following is not an All India Financial Institute? ICICI. IDA International Development Association. Merchant Banking which provides intergastric trade among countries. State Financial Corporation have proven assistance mainly to develop medium and small scale industry. Which policy of the life insurance company related to regular old pension Pradhan Mantri Vaya Bandhana Yojana? Not provide मुद्रा लोन कौन नहीं प्रोवाइड करता है? आरबीआई थोड़ी ना मुद्रा लोन प्रोवाइड करेगी. Policy holder of Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana get life insurance cover of what amount? 2 lakh. National Renewable Fund what institute for the purpose of social security. Inflation is caused by the increase in money supply and decrease in production. Stagflation refers to the situation which characterized by the inflation and rising unemployment. When too much money is chasing too few goods, inflation can be checked by decreasing money supply. A situated rise in the general price level in an economy may be inflation. Inflation in India was recorded in the year 25.2% 1974 to 1975. Which is true regarding disinflation, a decrease in the rate of inflation in a specific period. As a result of higher rate of inflation in India, US dollar will appreciate. Lack of financial discipline by the government can be lead to excess expenditure inflation. Which groups suffer the most from inflation? Creditor. Who is the most benefit from the inflation? Debitor. If there is a lack of money supply in the comparison to supply of the good and service, the possible consequence could be deflation. The process of culling inflation by reducing money supply is called disinflation. Who benefit the most during the inflationary period? Entrepreneurs. To combat inflation, what is the usual monetary policy adopted? Hawkish. In which situation wage and the price change each other at very quick speed? Hyperinflation. During the period of inflation, tax rate should be increased. Not a measure undertaken by the government to check inflation. Increase in the consumption. Beyond a certain point, deficient finance will certainly lead to inflation. Economic growth is usually coupled with inflation. Inflation occurs when the aggregate supply is less than aggregate demand. The supply side measure to control inflation is price control through public distribution system. When an economy is facing inflation, what will the central bank of the country do? Raise the cost of money by rising rate. What does the government do in the contractionary fiscal policy for lowering inflation? Reduce the quantum of money by rising tax and reduce spending. What is a moderate period of control inflation called reflation? Inflation redistribute income and wealth in favor of rich. The core inflation rate measure rising price in everything except food and energy. Priming should be restored as to at the time of deflation, glooping hyperinflation. In the case of recession, expansive fiscal policy is implemented with reduction in the tax. Stagflation is the economic scenario where a peculiar combination low growth and rising inflation lead to high unemployment, which Trump best described as senior stagflation. Deflation is a situation in which value of money is increasing. The basis of determining the dearness allowance to the employee in India's consumer price index. In India, inflation measured by the consumer price index, which is incorrect with regard to consumer price index. It is used to monitor change in cost of living over time. Consumer price index reflects the extent of inflation in price of consumer goods, which year is taken as a base year for the calculation of wholesale प्राइस इंडेक्स by the गवर्नमेंट 2011 से 2012।